If you are struggling to find a recipe for this 4-day weekend or want new ideas on how to use all those Turkey Day leftovers, artificial intelligence could help. A new AI-powered recipe generator called DishGen combines traditional food blogging with computer programming to change the way people plan for and prepare meals. For DishGen, you go to the website, type in the ingredients you have or dish you'd like to try, along with any dietary restrictions you might have. Then the AI will generate a new recipe with description, ingredients, and steps.
Amazing. Okay, but how safe is this? Like, what if the two ingredients you put in together, because Aya says, you know, it's going to taste bad and make the food unsafe. I don't know. I'm kind of worried about that.
Well, okay, so the creator of dishgen.com says you should always use common sense when using anything generated by AI. But I found that people know more common sense. But he does add...
Or poi.
But he does add that DishGen has worked to make sure its recipes make sense and are safe.
I know how to cook, so I know. Yeah, I know.
Would you use this, brother? For real? If you know how to cook?
Absolutely. For anything to make my life easier.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. And probably cook better than me.
Well, I don't think so, brother, because you cook good. You and good cook. Me, I burn water. Anyway.
That's true.
It's one of the most coveted trophies in the dance world. Of course, I'm talking about the Len Goodman Mirrorball trophy on Dancing with the Stars. Well, we officially have a new ballroom champion.
The winners and new champions of Dancing with the Stars are Joey and Jenna!
Hey, after a supersized finale, Joey Grazide and Jenna Johnson took home the trophy. Now, Joey is the first male Bachelor contestant to make it to the semifinals, much less to win the top prize. And it also marks dancing pro Jenna Johnson's first time winning the Mirrorball.
But the title didn't come easy. Yep, there were 5 perfect scores handed out across the rounds of competition, with the competitors tackling the redemption round of a previous dance style they didn't handle so well the first time, and a freestyle round where there are no rules.
Oh, yeah. Now, leading up to their win, Joey and Jenna did a tennis-inspired freestyle as an ode to his pre-bachelor profession as a tennis instructor on Kauai. You know he lived on Kauai, yeah?
Didn't know that.
I think he still has his home there.
Wow.
Unreal, yeah? So big congratulations to Joey. All right, Billboard's list of the biggest pop stars of the 21st century is slowly being unveiled, and they have finally released artist number 2. Now, here are the top 25.
The century is not even over yet. How can it be the best of the 21st century? Hello?
But, you know, actually, I agree with you. That's the first thing I thought.
Come on.
But, you know, it is great to look at who has made some big strides musically in the first 25 years of the 2000s. So do you see any of your favorites popping up?
Oh, you know that, man.
I love Adele.
You guys ready for number 2?
I'm ready for number 2. You ready?
Ready for number 2.
Okay, wait. We got it. Hit 6, 5.
Okay, 5.
Number 4, Drake. Number 3, Rihanna. And here is your number 2.
2 is...
Taylor Swift. Now, there is a lot of speculation around who could be number 1. I was surprised, honestly, to find out that Taylor Swift was number 2. I would have thought she'd take the number 1 spot. But top choices right now are Beyonce or Billie Eilish. Who you think?
Bruno Mars?
Well, no, Bruno's already on the list.
So? The list is wrong.
I like how you put it.
Bruno
If
Mars.
I was dropping money into a jukebox, I would play me some Bruno Mars.
Billie Eilish.
Oh, yeah. You think it's going to be Billie?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. And again, speaking of music, it's National Jukebox Day. Whether or not it's Bruno Mars or Billie Eilish or Beyonce or anybody else that starts with a B.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all about what was the typical cost to play a song on a jukebox during the 1950s. Is it 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, or 25 cents?
I'm going with 5.
5 cents.
Yes, 5 cents.
All right, let's hear it.
Drum roll.
Drum roll.
Winner, baby.
Bingo.
Woo! Let's go Vegas.
Now, you know, that's roughly 67 cents if calculated for inflation today. But you, PP, and the rest of you that guessed 5 cents, you so akamai.
Woohoo, baby.
All right, now coming up, we've got shakas and shout-outs, so make sure you stick around right here on Island Life Live. Choo.
Wow, 5 cents.
Right?